Hi, if you already have installed the great soft from JomJol, on the edge, but still having a number recognition problems, I will show in this video how to learn your own numbers. I will show all steps, and you do not need to have any knowledge of Python on Jupyter Notebook. So first I will save numbers, install necessary programs, and compile model. To save numbers, you need to go to Settings, Configuration, and mark log image location. Just leave the same how it is. Log file retention days, just leave it in save, reboot, and after it has been read, all numbers have been saved in, and you go file server, log, digit, choose, and what time was. So you can right click, save image, and you save. So you save all images. So I have already saved some images here. Most important thing, you need to rename files just what is belong to this number. Let's say if it's 3, it's supposed to start 3. If it's say 9, should be 9 too. Between numbers you can name NaN or give a shot to rename 4 or 3. This, I don't know why, but for me it was problem for recognition. Maybe because the numbers is different size or because the rotation was different. But after compile my own numbers, I have 100% recognition. So I'm quite happy about this. So if you've done this one, we can go on next step. If you back to wiki, and if you go into advanced, and go into learn model with your own image, we're getting the basic information what we need. So we need Python, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so but first we're gonna download this. You open. Now go to code, download zip. I will save the same location. Save. Okay. Extract in the same location. Close. Finish here. Okay, so we need all other images. We need to copy and paste to this directory. Okay, all our numbers. And going to this, what we downloaded, extracted, and going to the raw, and we paste all our numbers here. Okay, this is now a good idea. If you have still bad recognition, you can remove some numbers or give a shot to remove all of them and just use your own. Depends how much you downloaded yours. Or you can delete all absolutely different numbers, not similar to yours. At this point we finish. Now we're gonna install necessary programs. If we're going to, so we need Python. We're going Python, going to downloads, Windows. Don't choose the newest version. I choose 3.10.9, 64 bits installer. So download. So after downloading, just run installation. Just mark add Python access to path. Install now. Okay, we can close. Command prompt. Run as administrator. If we're going to Jupyter, we need Jupyter Notebook. So we're gonna run this code. Copy. Paste. All done now. Okay, if we go back to wiki, so we need to install requirements. The requirements we need to copy and just make the file. I'm gonna copy this to our extracted folder, and we're gonna open this location cd. Okay, I'm not sure where is mistake. So we're now in the same location. We're gonna run this requirement text. so which I just copy recently. We just create a text file and put this. I'll leave in description. Okay, so install necessary packages. Okay, that's done. I'm going back to wiki. So we already put our images to that directory, and now we're gonna run this. But first, we need to run this notebook. So we copy, paste to the notebook, enter, open. We need to open image preparation. Image preparation. There you go. Open. Important thing, just wait till it's finish preparing. After this, there's like in blocks, so we're gonna run each block separately. Just press again run, and now when you see one area is in gray, this is like functions, and in white is a result. So we need to run and wait till it has been calculated. And slow on computer takes a little bit longer when it's quite new one. Run again. So it's calculating. All done now. 3 dots. So we're done with this one. Going to now train read.small version 2. Okay, press this one. Again, kernel starting. Just wait till it's finished. And again, run. Again, checking if we don't need to wait till all calculations been done. If not, we just press run. Here again, you can press run. Yeah, you need to wait till some calculation be done here. So run. Wait, all done here. That's good. Run again. Run. All done as well. Training. Run. Run. Now we need to wait till all calculations be done till 500 from 500. It's taking some while, so we're gonna wait or have a cup of coffee. So we're gonna wait till finish 500 from 500. This took me around 10 minutes. This mark next one. We're one ready to go for next. Again, we're gonna do this one and wait till get this graph. Straight away. Next. Next, again, waiting for this. And waiting for result. Okay. Problem once. It's not a big deal, but I'm just gonna show where this will be recognized differently than it was. So 0, recognized by 8. Still waiting for the graph. Here it's been recognized by 2. I put my name not recognizable, but yeah, you can next time just put 2 been recognized by 2. Here shows where there's a problem. Okay, so we've done it. Now going to the next one. Run, run. Waiting till finish. Output 8. That's good. Now I'm gonna go till we get this. Just run. Don't worry about the red ones. So fine. So yeah, all done now. So if we're going back to our folder. So yeah, been created these 2 files. So let's name it new. New. And if we're going to our meter, go on file system, going to config. So choose a file, go and go where it's been saved. So should be new. So uploading, press upload, and we should have, yeah, here we go. So going settings, configuration, and you can choose this new TF Lite file. save, reboots, and should be recognizing now your numbers better than it was before. But if you still have a problem, you could try to still play with these numbers basically. That's all from me. Thanks for watching.